So let's say, the identity stuff, you have a magic wand, you can wave it over the industry and kind of fix stuff. How do you fix kind of the text messaging spam issues? Is there a registry? Is it controlled by one person? Where do you think this, in 5 years, where's this going? Or also, what way do you want it to go?
I think ultimately we're going to have a registry of names or sender IDs
so this
for
would
RC.
be like
it will start with RC,
something?
maybe ICANN.
Okay,
yes.
but like similar to domain.
Absolutely similar. It'll start with RCS, but I think it will, in at least some markets, will extend to SMS. Maybe different registrars or providers. But it will have to extend to SMS. Because one of the cool things about RCS, if this device is not RCS compatible, you can fall back to SMS.
Correct. So you still want the identification.
You still want to have that identification.
Okay.
Maybe you fall back to SMS with a short code that still represents that business.
Yep. So you think, should it be one registry? Like, what would be the best case scenario, especially you guys being kind of managing all of these, hubs and everything?
Right.
Is it one or multiple?
When I say federated, I think there'll be a certain method that we all use, but there'll be different registrars or different registries for different markets.
Okay.
Or maybe an operator group, or the U.S. might have some. The CTIA runs the short code registry today.
Yes.
That works very well.
Yep.
In the future, they might run an RCS registry that's very similar to that. And all of us in the aggregation space, when we're dealing with businesses, we will make sure we register our business name with that registry. And that's got to be easy. It's got to be done very quickly.
Yes.
It's got to be done literally within hours or minutes rather than days or weeks.
And essentially, that will then help hubs and carriers to kind of filter out the traffic into what I've been told is like different kind of pipes.
Right.
And then monitor those pipes differently based on how trusted they are.
Absolutely.
Okay.
We would have to do that. Now, I would hope that would also extend to SMS going forward.
Makes sense.
In the next 5 years, will we see that? Yes, I think we'll see some registrars and some registries.
Yep.
They will be probably based on some of the companies that are already doing things like with number portability or big trade organizations like GSMA, CTIA, MEF will all be involved.
It's kind of like they're already doing components
They
of
are.
it.
They are. I think within the next 5 years, we'll have something where we can put all this together.
That'll be good. So next 5 years.